Hi there. It's the second video today about the SeNuke software. As I said in the previous video, we have created a network of websites and we want to grow this network with new articles, and we want to do this quite frequently. We want to add articles on at least once a week. It's really the minimum. If you could do this 2 or 3 times a week, or even better, once every day, just to do it. If you have the time to do it, do it. The more frequent you will update this network, your network or your different networks, and the more powerful they will get in the eyes of Google. Okay, so for this example, I'm going to use the network we created in the previous video. So we don't have to create any account because we have already created them. You just have to be sure that the profiles that are loaded are the ones you have created when you created your network, your website network. I have already loaded the profiles I created in the previous video, so I don't need to reload them. If you remember, it was this username, Cyrus Riggs, and same thing for the RSS profiles. Okay, so I have the profiles loaded. I just have to go to the social network Nuke, and I have already loaded the blank project we have created in the previous video. But to show you what you have to do if you have worked on other promotions with the SeNuke software, you have to load the blank project you have created, the one that has the tags and domain information. Okay, so when you do so, you have, after doing so, click on this checkbox repost to same domain. It will open a new window which shows the different domain names that have been selected for these websites. If you remember, I didn't create a Tumblr website, I didn't create a Tripod website, and I didn't create a Google Sites. So these fields are blank. And these fields contain the correct domain name for these websites. Okay, so we will start by WordPress because I want to submit an article without any link to WordPress. Okay, so this is checked. Now I'm just going to check WordPress, and I'm going to select an article about affiliate marketing because the network I have created was related to affiliate marketing. So I have a pinned article here about affiliate marketing. Each time I will click, I will have a different version. So when I will submit this pinned article to the different websites, it will be unique content. Okay, let's start. Oh, sorry, the Google Sites checkbox is checked. Okay, let's go. Start. Make sure you enter some. Oh, of course. Since it was a blank project, I haven't entered the title. My title is here. I forgot to cut it and to paste it in the title section here. Okay, because we need a title obviously for for the submission. Okay, let's go. As you can see, the WordPress blog has not been closed because I didn't post any article that could be seen as a spam. As I said in the previous video, we have to wait a little bit. We have to submit some articles without backlinks to get trust from WordPress. Okay, after submitting about 5 articles to this blog, to this new WordPress blog, I will be able to add some backlinks to it. Okay, so it's done. Let's get back to the main window. Now I want to check only hub pages, because if you remember, you can have only 2 backlinks in the articles you submit to hub pages. Okay, right now I'm promoting a new product which is called ClickBank Quantum Control. It's a product from Chris X and Andrew Frogs and Steve. I don't remember his last name. And this product is going to pay $500 commission. It's the first high-ticket product from the Day Job Killer team. Right now I have not written a real article, I have just copy-pasted the information they gave to their affiliates. So it's probably not unique content. But I did it to have a URL to promote. Okay. Right now, I have used the My Article Network software to promote this post, and I have already a pretty good position in Google. If we look for ClickBank Quantum Control, I'm already #1. I have not created any bonus page yet. I have to do it very quickly because the product is going to get launched in a few days now. So I don't have a lot of time. I'm already second, sorry, for the ClickBank Quantum keyword. For the CB Quantum, I'm at the 3rd position. If we add control, I'm still at the 3rd position, and for review and bonus, I think I have good positions too. Okay, I'm on the 1st page, and for bonus, even if I don't have any bonus page yet, I'm at the 1st position because I have purposely added the CB Quantum Control bonus keyword phrase in my article, in my post, to be able to rank for this keyword. Okay, so I have used my article network. I have not used the SeNuke software yet, so it seems that the competition is not too difficult to beat for this product. I think it's pretty rare because this product pays a lot of commissions, and usually Chris X products sell very well. So I have good hope for this product. Okay, so now let's use the SeNuke software to get some more backlinks to this page. My goal is to get, of course, the #1 ranking position for this keyword, CB Quantum and ClickBank Quantum. Okay, I'm not far from the 1st position, but I don't have the 1st position yet, so I have some work to do. Let's go. Okay, here. So on hub pages, I want to have 2 backlinks to. I have not copied this URL yet. Okay, let's copy this and insert it. Let's have a look at the article. Guidelines on money and making money through affiliate marketing. I will show you about ways to promote particular product. There are several well-known marketers. Okay, I'm going to add my keyword. There are many top internet marketers who have vast mailing lists and blogs promotional website before they start promoting. Okay, here, after these variations, search internet marketer. One of these internet marketers, 36, is going to launch this new product called CB Quantum in a few days. Okay. Now I'm going to add a variation for CB Quantum. I'm going to add ClickBank Quantum. Okay, apply. So you see it automatically adds the brackets at the beginning and at the end and the beginning of the text I had selected. So this edit box is quite useful for that. And now this, I want to select it as my anchor text for my review page URL. Okay, so let's have a look here. So this is a link, CB Quantum, and sometimes it's going to take the other version, ClickBank Quantum. Okay, good. So I have my first link in the first paragraph, and I'm going to add a second one, but this time not to the same URL, because having two links to the same URL in the same article is not useful. In fact, Google is only going to count one link. Having a link to one page of your website from different pages of a domain is okay, you want to do this, but having several links in the same page is not useful. Okay, so I'm just going to add a new link to the home page this time of my website, or instead of putting a link to my website homepage, I'm going to take the category CB Quantum Control. Okay, I'm going to create a backlink to this category page, because this category page has a link to my review page. So let's add something. Always do the word that makes you feel happy. Expand boring horizon. Content of interest to visitors. Try them, or teach them something new. Okay. Teach them something new. It was somewhere. Yeah, always place content aside. That is catchy as well as informative. Okay, here. Content. Like the one exposed in CB Quantum is very well perceived by internet marketers, for example. Okay, now I'm going to do the same thing here. I'm going to add some variations. Back Quantum. I'm also going to add two other ones. CB Quantum Control, Back Quantum Control. Okay, apply. So I have my different versions, and now I'm creating a backlink by using these versions. I'm going to selected anchor text. Okay, I have to go back here and take the category link here. Okay, pretty simple article. ClickBank Quantum Control. Okay, I'm done. Now I'm going to post this article to Hub Pages only, to the previous page I created on Hub Pages, to the same website, to the same domain. Okay, the page has been created. Good. Now, while you are at this page, you also want to add a new capsule. Okay, do this manually. Just click on this RSS button here. Okay, what are we doing? Where is capsule? RSS, okay, it's here. It has been added. Now click on the edit button, and we are going to add ClickBank Quantum News. And for the feed URL, you take the category link and you add /feed to it. It's going to create a feed from this category only. So when I will add my ClickBank Quantum Control bonus, a new link is going to be created here. Okay. And by doing so, I will get some more backlinks from hub pages. Okay. Preview RSS. No, I don't want to preview it. No need. I'm just going to say this. Okay. Here it is. You can see here I have an RSS feed that has been added. You can add as many RSS feeds as you want. So if you have other websites, don't hesitate to add RSS feeds the manual way in the SeNuke software window when you have submitted your article to hub pages. Nobody is doing this with SeNuke, so it's going to give you an advantage over some other people. You can also add videos or other links or anything you want. Okay. You see there is a warning here. This hub contains excessive affiliate links. It remains published but will likely be flagged and unpublished if you do not fix the problem. If you plan to fix this hub later, please click the Unpublish Now button. To learn more about the problem, you can continue to the hub and review the warnings at the top. Okay, I'm just going to keep it anyway because the links are not affiliate links here. So if a human editor comes to this page, he will see that these links point to review pages. Okay, so this is just an automatic message because the topic of the article that I have submitted and the anchor text I have selected has raised some flags, but that's okay. Okay, I'm just going to click on Done Editing. I don't care about this message. And even if they close this hub, I just need 5 minutes to create a new one with SeNuke and to replace it in my network. Okay, so now it's done. Let's select. Sorry, we have done hub pages, we have done WordPress. Now we are going to select Zimbio, Wikispaces, Blogspot, and WebPaint. Okay, Zimbio, Wikispaces, Blogspot, and WebPaint. Okay, and we are going to add a third link. This one I'm going to add a link to the main page of my blog, to the home page. So I build some backlinks to my domain name, and this is good for the long term. The more backlinks you have to your home page and to the inner pages, the better it is for you because you will gain in PageRank. Oh, I did not notice. My Coty Wines blog is already a PageRank 3 blog. Oh, impressive. I have created it very recently, and it's already a PageRank 3 blog. Okay, very good, because I have created a lot of backlinks quite quickly, and the content is unique, except for these ClickBank Control Review, which is not unique. But the other articles are all unique, so I have got some trust from Google, and I have been rewarded very quickly. Okay, so let's get back to SeNuke and add here additional resources. I'm going to add internet marketing tips, and I'm going to create some other versions here. SEO tips, affiliate marketing blog. Okay, apply, and I'm going to take these versions and add this anchor text, CotierWins.com, to link to CotierWins.com, the homepage of my blog. And in additional resources, I'm also going to add some random backlinks to the other websites of my network. Okay, so Plan Manager. How many random links would you like inserted? I'm just going to add 2. Okay. So if we look here, let's begin. Good. So I build backlinks to the other websites of my network and to the homepage of CotierWins.com. Okay, let's go. Let's add 3 pages here. So we create our articles on the 4 remaining websites. And after doing so, we will add this article to the other websites. The other websites of the network. In fact, we will create new folders in the other domains because we don't have the possibility to add articles to them. If you remember, when I clicked on the submit to same domains checkbox, it showed me only a selection of the different domains, and it didn't allow me to resubmit new articles to all the domains I had created in the past. Okay, on Blogspot it has failed. Why? Let's have a look at Blogger. My blog is still here. View blog. Okay, my blog is here, so I don't know why it has not been able to add the article. I'm going to try again, just on Blogspot. Let's have a look. Let's close the other windows. What was the problem? Not applicable. Okay. Did it select the right anchor text? Nothing. I think it did. Blog. Affiliate marketing and you.blogspot.com. Yes, it selected the right anchor text. So why did it fail? Or maybe Blogger has updated its interface. I'm not sure. Let's try again. Don't know what's happening here. Okay, it doesn't work on Blogger, no problem. And if I uncheck this, it's going to create a new blog with another domain name version, which is going to become a part of my network. Your browser quiz functionality is disabled. Oh no, that's not a problem. I think it's not. Okay. Good. Okay. It's creating a new domain, a new subdomain. I'm just waiting for the automatic captcha solving. I should have disabled it because I'm just working on one website. I could have entered it manually. Okay, good. It's done now. Let's get back there. No, it's not the correct page. Yeah. Okay, so we have updated some of the websites of our network. Now what you want to do is bookmark the new pages that have been created. Let's have a look at the latest submissions here. So May 28th, it's today. We have started by WordPress. It was here. Okay, let's copy the URLs without the context. Put them here. I'm also going to bookmark my review page. Okay, and I'm going to get information from social network Nuke. Except this, I don't want the title. I want a part of the first paragraph. Okay, till this point. Copy. And paste. And okay, everything is checked here. Okay, let's go. Okay, don't have any other window. Let's do this. Okay, I'm going to pause the video. Until it completes the bookmark submission process, and I will resume it after that. Okay, the bookmarking is over. It took about 5 or 6 minutes. I didn't really pay attention. Okay, now let's get back to SeNuke, and it has added some information in the URL manager at the bottom. Okay, this was for another promotion I did. And I'm going to take this one. Okay, these are the links for my continuous blog. And I'm going to launch the pinger, and I'm going to ping the different services to update, to notify them that these new pages have been created. And after this step, I will just no feed URLs have been created, no new feed URLs have been created, so I have finished. I don't have anything to submit to the RSS aggregators, so it's the last step of this of the process to update our network, our blog network. You want to do this quite frequently. You want to update your network with new articles on a regular basis. And don't forget also to use other link sources if you can, like my article network. The more backlinks you have, the better it is, and it's good to have a lot of different sources of backlinks. The more diverse it is, and the more trust you will get from Google, and the higher your page rank will be also. Okay, so the pinging process is over. Something else I want to show you, I want to remind you, in fact. Let's create a new version here. Okay, I'm going to take this one. I'm not going to take the additional resources. Let's copy this version. Let's get back to my blog, and let's go to the internal blog we have created some days ago. And I want to update this internal blog quite frequently too. Thanks to the RSS feed here, it's updated each time I add a new post on the main blog. But I also want to add some other articles, and the ones that I submit to the SeNuke software are perfect for this. Okay, let's log in there. And add a new post. Okay, here it is. Let's take the title. Oops, no. Oops. Let's do this like that. And now, okay, let's have a look at the HTML code. Okay, so I have a unique version of my article with the backlinks to my blog post, and I'm going to add some new tags. cd quantum, click tag quantum, add, and I'm going to post this in the affiliate marketing category. Okay, and let's publish it. Let's have a look at the post. Okay, and the homepage of this internal blog. Actually, I don't want to display the whole article on the home page of this internal blog. So I'm going to add, after the first paragraph, this tag, the more tag. And by doing so, I will have okay, let's wait that it's updated. Okay, now if I refresh the page here, after the first paragraph, I have this link with the rest of this entry. Okay, so on the home page I have one backlink because it was in the first paragraph, and if I click on read the rest of this entry, I have the rest of the article with the second link. Okay, that's all for this video. Now my next step is to create bonus for the ClickBank Quantum Control product. I'm going to try my best, to do my best to create very powerful bonus for this product because the commissions are quite high, and I think a lot of people, a lot of super affiliates with very big list are going to mail their subscribers about this product. So there will be a lot of people who will search for the product name on Google, and if I rank well for the product name, and if I have a powerful bonus for this product, I will make a nice amount of commissions. Okay, so this is my next step, and I will keep you updated about it. Talk soon, bye bye.